Hi, this is Jessie from Yarn and Sage, and today I'm going to show you how to make a center pull ball by hand. This method works best for smaller amounts of yarn that aren't quite big enough to go in a traditional wool winder or any sort of cake ball maker. So to get started, all you need to do is take the tail in your hand and extend your thumb and index finger and wrap very, very loosely around in a figure 8. You're going to do that, I don't know, 20 times or so. And then you're going to have to take these off. So you may want to pinch in the center to let your fingers out. And you're going to be really careful about where your tail is. And you're going to fold it over. You're going to take your thumb, stick it on the tail, and gently wrap over your thumb and on the back. This is my middle. So you're going to wrap a couple times. And then you're going to go the other way and wrap a couple times. And while you're working, because this is the center of the ball, you're going to want to go very, very loose. And then the farther out in the ball you get, the tighter you can wrap. And you just keep going, wrapping around, making it as round as you can. The larger the ball is, the rounder it will end up being. If it's a smaller, tiny bit, it might be a little misshapen, which is fine. It's better than, this. And then when you get to the end, you're just gonna kind of bury it in the ball a little bit. And you're good to go.